22 Amazing Thoughts of Karma. Don't waste your time on revenge. Those who hurt you will eventually face their own karma. When a bird is alive, it eats ants. When the bird is dead, ants eat the bird. So time can turn at any time. So don't devalue anyone in life. You may be powerful, but time is more powerful than you. Karma has no menu. You get served what you deserve. Karma cleanse, be grateful, act with love, check your motives, watch your attitude, forgive. Karma never loses an address. Do good and good will come to you. Karma has no deadline. Karma is karma. Karma is in life. You do the wrong things, you get the wrong things out of it. Even a good player will someday be the toy of a better player. It's called karma. You have to go through the worst to get to the best. What goes around comes around. Forgive the person and their actions. Never give in to hate. Let it go, set it free, and karma will take care of what is meant to be. Karma, the universal law of cause, and you reap what you sow. Sometimes you have to walk away and let karma take over. Give the world the best you have, and the best will come back to you. He who passively accepts evil is as much involved in it as he who helps to perpetrate it. He who accepts evil without protesting against it is really cooperating with it. How people treat you is their karma. How you react is yours. Keep calm and let karma finish it. Karma is like a rubber band. It can only stretch so far before it comes back and smacks you in the face. Karma has no problem getting back in touch with you when you need. One tree can be made into a million matchsticks, but only one matchstick is needed to burn a million trees. Let the players play, let the haters hate, and the karma handle their fate. Thank you.